Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to show you how to make an origami paper fish. First, take a square size paper and bring together the diagonal corners. Open it and fold it from the other side. Again open it and fold it into half, forming a rectangular shape. Again, fold the rectangle into half. The shape resembles a square. Now comes your tricky part. Take the upper square and press it into triangle like this. Flip it and repeat the process on the other side. There is a middle line. Take the right side and fold it like this. Again, fold the remaining part into half. Swipe it. Unfold it. You can see the creases. You can see the second crease. Fold the left edge aligning with the second crease, just like this. Now take the right part and fold it on the top of left part. Now the tail of the fish is visible. It's time to draw an eye for the fish. Thank you for watching our channel. Please like, comment and subscribe.